here at Paschal's Restaurant, where we do our monthly retirement planning workshops aimed at helping Black retirees and pre-retirees multiply their money using insurance. Today, I'm just giving you a behind the scenes view of the workshop setup process. I'm here in the dining room, and right over here is our sales manager, Chiquita Gay. And yes, she is related to Marvin Gaye.
Good.
All right, so Chiquita has been working with us at the Blackwell Company for
a year and a half.
A year and a half.
This is half a year.
Okay, year and a half. Okay, so she's been working with us for a year and a half, and she helps me get everything set up for you guys when you come in, making sure you have the best quality food, the best experience.
We have been, again, doing this every month, and it's been twice a month. So, all right, so I have some regulars that come all the time, okay? Even if you guys don't want to participate with the financial program, you guys are always welcome to schedule a meeting with Mr. Jerry, and we're always having the main diner room as well.
Yeah.
So it's been a thrill. It's been amazing.
Okay. So make sure you all come on out to Paschal's Restaurant. Make sure you register with the link up button around this video for the upcoming Black Retirement Planning Workshop. We're going to have a fantastic time. It's a time for community engagement. What we're going to do, I'm going to walk around here for a little bit. Tell them what you do, Mr. Kenny.
I'm the general manager.
Mr. Kenny is the general manager. So you are Mrs. Gay's boss.
I'm her partner.
You're her partner.
Nobody's the boss. We're all partners.
Oh, yes. Now, see, that's the type of spirit I like right there. There we go. Okay.
Yeah.
So we are really excited about the seniors coming out and learning and really creating community here.
Absolutely.
Can you kind of tell them a little bit about your experience since we've been coming here, what you kind of know about people calling and asking questions, anything like that?
Well, we first of all, we appreciate you selecting Paschal's to hold your events, and
Sure.
we're excited to be a part of it.
Sure.
So thank you again. And we appreciate any support coming from anyone. And again, I appreciate you selecting us
Absolutely.
to hold such an important event.
Absolutely.
For people moving into retirement. It's an important topic, and people really need to pay attention.
Absolutely. Again, everybody, we are here at Paschal's Restaurant. Just wanted to give you a behind the scenes look of us setting up for the workshop that we're doing. We do the workshops typically on Tuesday and Thursday. We will be probably incorporating Saturdays into the fold soon, but Tuesday and Thursday, make sure you register for the upcoming event that you might see somewhere on the screen. If you're unable to attend, make sure you let us know. If you'd like to change that date, we will put you in for the next available date. All right, so everybody, when you come into the workshop, first thing you're gonna want to do is make sure you get Myla, who is the young lady behind the camera, to check you off of the list. A lot of times you all say you're gonna come to my workshop and you do not show up, or you show up for a different day and different time. So make sure, if you are planning to attend the event, okay, that when you do arrive, you do check your name off the list. If your name's not on the list, make sure you write your name in on the list. Business cards are ample at the table here. And then also, those of you who are interested in executing on the strategies that you learn in the workshop, you're going to be really excited about the things I teach you. Here's an appointment form. Make sure you write in your preferred date, time, first name, last name. You can even scan your QR code on the appointment form, and that will get you right on my calendar. So everybody, looking forward to having you out again. Make sure you register for the upcoming Black Wealth and Retirement Planning Boot Camp, where you're going to learn how to multiply your retirement income and savings with life insurance. This is Jerry Gordon, founder and CEO of the Black Wealth Company, where Black Wealth is our business.